Every XPS store has a wall of sample boards. Customers touch them, compare them, and make decisions from them. Most people have no idea what it takes to get them there. We spent several days with Rebecca to follow the final stages of sample board production: finishing, quality checks, packing, and the moment they head out the door to an XPS Express store.
Epoxy will change your life.
Once the epoxy is set, the real detail work begins. Every board gets scraped down, removing excess flakes so the surface is clean, consistent, ready for the next coat. Each color is precision mixed. A and B components combined for 3 minutes, then poured into individual cups. Every cup becomes a different board, a different option for a customer somewhere down the line. And sometimes the job throws you a curveball, or in this case, the bird does. Rebecca cuts out the damage, sends it back, and keeps moving. No drama, that's the job. The final grind brings everything together, smoothing out the surface until each board looks exactly the way it should when it hangs on a store wall. 72 boards, each one dusted, labeled, and boxed. Every label is a destination, a store that will open its doors and use these boards to show customers what's possible. Troy from the logistics team shows up for the pickup, and just like that, the boards leave the workshop. Rebecca's work is done. The store's work is just beginning. But before the boxes are even out the door, there's already a new pallet waiting. And she gets back to work.